This is Thursday. I think it's May 30th. I didn't look at the date before I punched. Here's puppies outside. There's Willis. Hey, Willis. Hey, Willis. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. What? You want me to throw the ball? You want me to throw the ball? Well, give it to me. There you go. They're outside in our patio area. Beautiful weather here. Hi, Willis. Hey, Willis. Hey, Lily. Lily. No. Hey. Hi, Willis. Hi, Willis. And there's the other puppy. Oh, what is it? What is it, Willis? Lily. This is our patio area that we have sectioned off for the puppies. What is it? What is it, puppy? All right, have a nice day, everybody.